My dog, Kira. You can't quite see her. There, she has to use the bathroom. I live in Springfield, Indiana. It's pretty cool. Kira. We do not know what dog she is. She's just a little sassy pants. Kira loves to go in yards. Loves to run around. She thinks she's the pride of this world. Like the matriarch. She always smells her own pee. Kira! Come here, puppy. You good girl. Kira. Wow. Come on, Kira. There's my brother and sister acting a fool. We got some flowers about Kira. Kira! Kira! Come on, baby. Come on, Kira. There's my grandpa car. If you're wondering what that is, that was a rival ball. Come on, Kira. I think it's raining. But we got some. We own all these houses.